They give birth to people. They help God create. They are weak, but they are also strong. Women, have a good day. Today is yours. Today is yours.
Let's say God blesses you, and God has blessed you. They give birth to people, they help God create. They are weak, but they are also strong. Women, have a good day. Today is yours, today is yours. If you give your life and shelter, what can we give to those you have given? but they